What is web hosting in the first place? Well, it's a combination of two things. First is the hosting itself. It's renting storage and resources of a server where you are going to put your site. The second one is the web address, known as the domain name. It's your website's unique identifier. You need both to host a website online, and they cost money. But in today's video, we are going to do it for free. Go to Infinity Free website. Link is in the description. I should note that I'm not sponsored by this site, and you can use any free web hosting you want. However, from my experience, I highly recommend this one. Sign up for an account. No credit card is needed. Verify your email address, then log in. You are going to be greeted by this page. With Infinity Free, you can have 3 websites at once. If you own a domain name, they will give you a free SSL certificate, which is a security measure for your websites that encrypts data when it's transferred. Go back to Accounts tab, create a new account, choose your hosting plan. We are going with the free one that gives us limited space but unlimited bandwidth. What I like about Infinity Free is not only their free plan, but also their paid ones, as they are very cheap in comparison with other hosting providers. Now for domain name, if you already own one, you can use it. However, we are going to use the free domain provided by the website. Now the account is successfully created. Click Finish. As you note, we must wait a couple of hours until the website is distributed around the world. If we open it now, we won't find it. To install WordPress, you need to go to Soft Aculous Installer. If you don't find it in the main page, go to Control Panel. Scroll down and you will find it at the bottom of the page. Inside the installer, we can see WordPress. Click Install. Add an admin, username, password, and email. Set up the site name and description. Scroll down and click Install. It should take a couple of seconds. And there you go. WordPress is installed successfully. Wait for a couple of hours and check the website. As you can see, it is now live and working properly. I'm going to log in to my admin account. Everything should be working all right. One last step. We are going to set up an SSL certificate. As you can see, web browsers flag the site as insecure since we don't have one. Go back to Infinity Free dashboard and then go to Free SSL Certificates tab. I have already set up one and it's pending. You should wait a bit before it becomes active. You can simply add one by clicking here, then typing your domain name. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, as that helps me a lot. I'm your host, Daniel, and I see you in the next one.